Okay, so as my usual practice, which I don't start on time that I have put in for my live stream. Okay, so I'm just going to share about the TCM Acupressure points, okay, that can help alleviate pain during gastric reflux. So actually there are quite a number of points, okay, but for the sake of the live stream, yeah, so I'm just going to share one acupressure point, okay, which is very easy to remember, and this point actually has multi functions in helping to alleviate any kinds of pains, okay, in the body, including headaches, migraines, what else is there, fever, or any aches and pains in the body, basically. Yeah, okay, so this is a very common point, and it's in Chinese medicine, it's called He Gu. Alright, so maybe some of you already know where it is. Alright, so how do you locate it? So I'm just going to teach you a very simple way of finding it, okay, because if you go and research, okay, they can give you all kinds of anatomical directions to locate this point, okay, which can sometimes be very confusing. And because for acupuncture points, acupressure points, they are quite dynamic, so different people, okay, the points may be slightly different from each other, okay, because acupressure points are found on living beings, okay, and all of us are structured slightly differently, and we use the anatomical body parts, okay, to identify the points. Alright, so one quick way of finding this point, okay, so this point is located on the palm, alright, so on the outer side of the palm, alright, and how you locate it is, let's say if you are going to press on your left hand, okay, so you use your right hand thumb, alright, the first, okay, line, okay, from the tip of your thumb. Alright, so this line, okay, you will rest it on the webbings, okay, between the thumb and the index finger. Alright, so you rest it there, okay, and then so you will just let your the thumb first segment, okay, rest down, okay, in between the thumb and the index finger intersection. Alright, so this is the point, okay, so the point is located where? Alright, so it's where your thumb, tip of your thumb, okay, touch, okay, so it's around here, okay, so basically from here you can just relax your hands and then you just massage that area. Alright, so this is quite a fast way to do it. Alright, because some people, okay, you don't know where exactly is the intersection, okay, it's quite a big area, so the one quick way of finding, okay, we have a lot of shortcuts in locating acupressure and acupuncture points, so this is actually how it's done, okay, so you rest, okay, and you just, okay, let your first segment of your thumb rest on the webbings, okay, and the tip there, okay, and you can just press it down really hard. So usually for acupressure points you should feel some soreness, okay, if you don't feel much soreness, then maybe you need to shift around and find the part that is quite sore, okay, because if you really have gastric reflux or any kind of pain conditions, when you do the acupressure, you should feel the soreness, okay, because that's a reflective point of whatever issues is happening in your body. So the soreness actually will indicate that you're pressing on the right points and it's doing some work for alleviating pain, especially for gastric reflux, okay, because it will help, because stimulating this point, it will help to relax the gastric muscle spasm, okay, which will help with gastric reflux pain when the flare-ups come. Okay, so you can do this, and then you can use the other hand if you are going to locate the point for your right hand. So you use your left thumb, okay, and just use the line, okay, the first line, okay, rest it down on the webbing, and then the point where it touches the intersection, okay, that's the point, and you can really press it down and dig it in, okay, and if it's really painful, just press it in all the way. Alright, okay, so that's it, and then my platinum group will get another point from me, okay, and platinum group and my Facebook live stream group. Okay, so switching to channel 8. Okay, so basically how 就是呢，我们今天要谈关于胃酸反流疼痛的时候发作的时候呢，有什么穴位可以按压哦，就让你快速的可以缓解啊。那有些病人已经跟我说了，有时候你要去找那个食物去吃就是在疼痛发作的时候好困难哦，尤其是那个糙米打成糊的那个方法哦，因为在痛的时候没有时间去做这件事情。好，那你的那个病的药呢，其实是在你身上就已经储存在的哦，所以这些就是所谓的穴位你身体已经有一些地方可以让你自己自愈那你就要找到那个点来刺激它，让它可以缓解疼痛。那这个点呢，就是大部分人都知道，没学中医的人可能也知道它叫做合谷。那这个合谷穴呢，它的作用很多很多，不是单单可以对胃酸反流的疼痛起到作用其他的疼痛比如头痛然后背痛颈项痛哪里疼痛即使你就是你按下去的时候呢，它有缓解疼痛的这个作用所以学习找到这个点呢，是对自己有很大的帮助的。在其他疾病发生的时候，有疼痛就是急性期疼痛的时候呢，你可以按压，它对缓解疼痛有很好的疗效也很快。那有一个快速的点穴方法因为我们针灸学里面呢，那个有很多捷径，就是找穴位的捷径所以不一定很像要跟着你去网上找的时候呢，有很多就是身体的那个解剖的位置它会写很多但是我们有很多捷径的然后其中一个合谷穴呢，就是有一个这样的快速点穴法。那就是呢，你比如说你要按压合谷呢，就是在手背面掌背。那个你比如说你要刺激你的左手的合谷穴位你就用你的右手那个拇指那个拇指那个头那里的第一个横纹那第一个横纹呢，然后你放在拇指和食指的这个交界处的这个皮肤上那就是这样子就把它放在那个皮肤上面，然后呢，拇指就往下按，那个拇指头那里呢，就是合谷穴。那因为穴位呢是在活的人身上找到的所以呢，那个点有时候在每个人身上有一点点差异。可能往左偏一点，往右偏一点也有可能往前一点，往后一点。那主要找到穴位的点的重要的注意事项就是它要有酸胀感。那如果没有怎么酸胀感，那你自己可以往前、往后、往左、往右自己找一下那这样子的话呢，你找到那个酸胀感的时候呢，那个点就对了。那一般上就是在拇指和食指交界处。那个隆起的那个肌肉那里我们是这么找的。那快速的点穴法就是用那个另外一只手的拇指的第一横纹放在拇指和食指之间的皮肤上然后这样往下放，然后那个点就是合谷穴，然后你可以很使劲的按下去它有缓解疼痛，很快的缓解疼痛的作用。所以什么牙痛拔牙的时候这些你也可以按一下，可以试试看这样子缓解疼痛它会很快。所以就是这样咯。然后呢，我的那个Platinum Group 还有我的 Facebook Livestream Group 会学到我另外一个穴位。那今天的分享就到这里就是希望你能试试看使用合谷这个穴位，然后可以帮助你缓解胃酸反流时发作的疼痛咯。